Hi guys, it's me, Teacher Diana. In this video you will find instructions of the activities and the pages that you have to work in this week from August 10th to 14th. Please deliver your work no later than Friday at 1 p.m. Any additional information you can contact me by Educar or email. Okay guys, so in this week we are going to start working the unit number 7 of our book number 2, Different but Best Friends. And you are going to start working on the page 271. Here you have exploring the topic. You are going to look at the picture, work individual, and use the following question as a guide for you can work your portfolio activity. You can add new questions if you wish. So the questions are: what does the word friend mean to you? Do you have any friends from other country? If not, would you like to have any? Why? What are some advantages of having friends from different countries? How can make friends in your country and in other country? Have you ever worked with friends to solve a social issue? If not, will you like to do it and why? So, the activity that you have to work here is the living mind map. In individual way, you have to make a mind map about the topic different but best friends. You have to collect all the ideas that came up from the previous activity and you are going to add pictures or different ideas that came up from you. You are going to work this activity as in digital way and I'm going to recommend you that you can work on Padlet. As I already told you in class how it works these tools. And you can work a mind map like I showing in this case. This is the example. Here you will add the information and you can create new ideas. Remember the explanation that I give you in class for this page. On the page 272, you have the vocabulary builder of the unit number 7. First, you are going to listen to track 36 that you are going to find in the AMCO platform. So you will listen the words and then you will listen the tracks 37 for you can hear the pronunciation of the sentence. So you have to repeat and practice your pronunciation and you are going to point and number the words in the order that you heard. Once you already finish with this part in a Word document, you have to translate all the words to Spanish. For the page 273, you are going to use the track 38. You have to listen carefully to each dialogue and repeat with the appropriate pronunciation and intonation. In this case, you are going to record your voice like we do with the Unit 6 dialogue blocks. And you have to separate by the names of each dialogue block. For example, introducing oneself and others, you read information, reported what someone has said, read the conversation, asking about someone's feeling and answering, and you read the conversation. Then you send me this recorder in your portfolio. For the page 274, you will find listening. You will use the track 39. You have to listen to the radio interview, then circle the sentence that corresponds to the main idea of the track. You have 3 options, and when you finish, you are going to listen one more time the conversation, T if the statement is true, F if it's false, or the S for doesn't say. In the third exercise, you are going to work individual. You are going to listen to radio and interview again and complete the following chat with the key information from the conversation. In the left side, you have to write friendship between Helen Keller and Mark Twain. And in the right side, you are going to write about friendship between Helen Keller and Alexander Graham Bell. Remember that you can find this text for those conversations on the page 331. In the fourth exercise, you have to read the sentence, look at the idioms from the radio interview and circle the option that shows what they mean. Remember, if you don't have idea for the correct answer, you can search on internet or you can have more help. For the project of the week, using word art, you are going to create a brainstorm with the words from the vocabulary unit 7. Words related with the topic of the unit. In this case, different but best friends. You have to make sure to use the appropriate picture and use different colors to difference the words that you add. We're going to save this file as a PDF and you already know how to send me. This is an example that you work in the unit 6, okay? It's the same activity, only that in this case, you are going to make it with the unit 7. And this is all for this week, guys. Remember, enjoy every time. See you.